Good afternoon, my subscribers. Welcome to another beautiful place. I would like to show you what I found while I was driving. So I would like to share this small beautiful video to all my subscribers, old ones and new ones. Look at this. So basically I was driving and I saw this place, so I was thinking I will take a video and I will share it with you because I didn't share from long time videos. So basically today I have a little bit of time, so I would like to show you. I'm not sure if I can get in, probably not, but I don't care now. The only thing I want is to share this video. It looks like it starts to rain, so let's see. No pedestrian access. Let's see what we have here. This is what we have here, and this is how it looks like. As I said, we cannot get in, but it's not a problem. I just want to share this beautiful video. So we're going on the right. There is a wall. Yeah, this is the right side, and now on the left side. And this is the road. It's very windy. Basically it's hot, but the wind is a little bit angry today. So I will go back to my car and I will continue my small trip. I think I will record another video from another village, and after that I will share it as well. So guys, I hope you like this small short video. I hope you like the place what I found on my way to another village. Basically I was driving without any plans. So look at this beautiful thing what I find here. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing. Please push the share, the like, leave me a nice comment, and I hope you guys have a good and very nice beautiful day. And of course, as always, I wish you all the best and God bless you all. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.